Introducing the FALCON 1200-watt portable power station and solar socket. The ultimate upgrade for your off-grid camping solution. A compact all-in-one system that allows you more freedom while camping in your caravan or motorhome, and to maximize the use of your solar panels on your roof, charging the power station off-grid without the need to carry additional solar panels inside your van. Inside the box is the FALCON 1200-watt portable power station, along with a 12-volt charging cable and a 240-volt charging cable, the solar socket, and 5 meters of cable for charging from your solar. The FALCON portable power station has a 50 amp-hour lithium battery inside, storing the energy. The lithium technology in the battery ensures that the system is lightweight, weighing only 13 kilograms. The battery can be charged in 3 different ways. You can charge it off mains electric using the 240-volt cable before you leave home or on electric hookup. You can charge it in the car or motorhome off your 12-volt sockets on the way to the campsite. Or you can charge it off of solar while camping. The power station has a built-in MPPT regulator allowing you to charge the power station off of your existing solar system. The solar socket allows you to connect directly to your existing solar panels on the roof of your van. With a 5-meter cable, simply plug into your socket and charge the power station. You can still use your power station while it is charging, with plenty of cable to move the power station wherever you want it. Once the power station is charged, you can use the system portably, with multiple output options such as a 12-volt socket, ideal for setting up in your awning, plugging in a cool box, or setting up the TV to watch the football. Or you can use the built-in pure sine inverter, converting the 12-volt power stored in the battery to mains power. So you can use your household appliances while camping off-grid, plug in your kettle, microwave or hairdryer and enjoy all your home amenities now in your mobile home. The pure sine inverter is capable of handling a surge of up to 2400 watt for the likes of a kettle, which requires a large surge of energy when beginning to boil. The FALCON portable power station has 3 USB and 3 USB Type-C outputs for charging your devices. It also has a wireless charging pad built into the top of the system, so you can charge your phone simply by laying it on the power station without requiring any cables. And DC sockets, so you can plug in your external lights and keep your awning well lit in the evening. The power station has an LED light built into its rear, perfect for emergency lighting with the different modes: bright white, dimmed, and an SOS feature, designed for recovery to easily locate you when you are broken down in a secluded area. Your power usage can easily be monitored through the clear LED display on the front of the power station, showing the state of charge of the battery, the wattage you are drawing from the battery, and the calculated time before the battery will go flat depending on what you are running off your power station. Each set of sockets has an isolation switch, allowing you to control which sockets are live and ensuring no energy is being wasted while not being used. Thanks to the power station's portability, it is not just restricted to your caravan or motorhome, but can be used in your day-to-day life too. Whether you need power where an extension cable isn't going to reach, want power in your awning without running cables out of your van, or an emergency backup when the power is cut at home. If you are after extra storage for your energy, FALCON have a battery pack that plugs directly into the power station, increasing the battery capacity by 50 amp-hour. With an additional 12-volt socket, USB and USB Type-C socket for even more output options. If you are looking for more freedom while camping in your caravan or motorhome without the need for a full electrical installation, a system that isn't restricted to your caravan or motorhome, and keeps you going when all other systems fail, the FALCON portable power station is what you are looking for. Life made easy by FALCON.